This lecture is about cyber. After this revision, students should be able to define cybersecurity, explain the importance of cybersecurity, identify different cyber threats, explain methods of protection against cyber attacks, differentiate between symmetric and asymmetric encryption, solve higher standard FBISE conceptual questions. Exam tip: always use cybersecurity keywords such as data protection, unauthorized access, privacy, encryption, and malware. Question number 1 is define cybersecurity. आपने define करना है cybersecurity को. Cybersecurity is the protection of computers, server, mobile devices, networks, and data from unauthorized access, cyber attacks, damage, or theft. It protects personal information, financial data, government records, organizational networks. Cybersecurity helps individuals and organizations maintain confidentiality, integrity, availability of data. An exam tip is that use keywords like unauthorized access protection, digital system, and digital security, data security. Question number 2, importance of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity की क्या अहमियत है? Cybersecurity is important because modern organizations store and transfer huge amount of digital data. Importance of cybersecurity: protects sensitive and confidential data, prevents cyber attacks and hacking, maintain business continuity, protects critical infrastructure, preserve users' privacy, supports national security, ensures compliance with regulations. Cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important due to increased internet uses, online banking, and e-commerce. Question number 3. Explain malware. Malware is malicious software designed to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to computer system. Types of malware: virus, worm, Trojan horse, spyware, ransomware. Effects of malware: data loss, slow system performance, theft of personal information, unauthorized control of systems. Explain phishing attack. Phishing is a cyber attack in which attackers pretend to be trusted organizations or individuals to steal sensitive information. Attackers usually attempt to steal passwords, credit card details, banking information, personal information. Method used in phishing is fake emails, fake websites, fraudulent messages, suspicious links. Exam tip is use the keywords like pretending to be trusted entities. Differentiate between virus and worm. Definition: virus is malicious code attached to files and programs. Worm is self-replicating malicious program. Dependency: virus required a host program. Worm works independently. Spread methods. Virus spreads when infected files run. Worm spreads automatically through networks. User action. Virus usually needs user action. Worm does not require user actions. Impact. Virus corrupts files and programs. Worms consumes bandwidth and system resources. Exam tip. Difference questions should always be attempted in form of table. Question number 6. Methods to protect against cyber threats. Cyber attacks can be prevented by using proper cybersecurity measures. Like protection methods, use strong passwords, keep software updated, enable two-factor authentication, install antivirus software, use firewalls, avoid suspicious emails and links, backup important data regularly, use encryption techniques. Exam tip: always explain at least 5 methods in detail. Question number 7. Characteristics of a strong password. A strong password improves the security of user accounts and systems. Characteristics of strong passwords. Long password like 12 or more characters. Combination of uppercases and lowercase letter. Include numbers. Include special symbols. Difficult to guess. Different passwords for each account. Examples, like one of the example is this. Second example, so on. Exam tip: never use birthday names, phone numbers, or simple words. Explain two-factor authentications, that is 2FA. Two-factor authentications, 2FA, is a security method that requires users to provide two different forms of verification before accessing an account. Usually it combines something the user knows, passwords, something the user has like OTP code, mobile phone. Advantage of 2FA: improves account security, prevents unauthorized access, reduces hacking risk. Exam tip is: write 2 forms of verification. Explain encryption. Encryption is the process of converting readable data called plain text into unreadable form called ciphertext. Encryption protects sensitive information from unauthorized access. Important terms: plain text, ciphertext, encryption key, decryption, use of encryption, secure online banking, secure messaging, data protection, e-commerce transaction. Exam tip is: remember plain text to ciphertext. Difference between symmetric and asymmetric encryption. Feature. Keys used. Symmetric encryption is one shared key. Arithmetic encryption use public and private key. Asymmetric encryption. In terms of speed, symmetric encryption is faster. Asymmetric encryption is slower. In terms of complexity, symmetric encryption have less complex. In case of complexity, asymmetric encryption has more complex. In case of security, Symmetric encryption is suitable for trusted parties, while asymmetric encryption suitable for secure communication. Examples of symmetric encryption is AES-DES, while asymmetric encryption example is RSA. Example: if symmetric equal to single key, asymmetric means two keys. Question number 11. Why is encryption important? Encryption is important because it protects sensitive information from unauthorized access. Importance of encryption: maintains confidentiality of data, protects online transactions, prevents data thefts, secure communication systems, protects passwords and banking information. Encryption is widely used in online banking, e-commerce, social media, cloud storage. Quick revision table is: concept cybersecurity, main purpose is protect digital system, key point is prevents unauthorized access. Malware, main purpose of malware is to damage system. Key point of malware is malicious software. Main purpose of phishing is to steal sensitive information. Key points in phishing is fake trusted identities. Encryption protect information. Key points is plain text to ciphertext. 2FA improve account security. Two-step verification. Firewall filter network traffic. Block suspicious access. Exam tip: memorize one main purpose and one keyword for each concept. Final exam strategy: how to attempt cybersecurity question. Write the proper definition. Number 2, explain the concept clearly. Number 3, use cybersecurity keywords. Number 4, write advantages or importance of points. Give practical examples. Most important keywords are encryption, malware, firewall, privacy, authentication, data protection, unauthorized access, and cyber attack. Now, cyber security revision has been completed.